Here are all the ways to get Spotify Premium for free in 2023. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you through some of the ways that you will be able to use in order to get Spotify Premium absolutely free. Now, the first and foremost thing is if you just head into your browser, and I won't be opening Spotify application, you wanna head into your browser, and if you just search in for Spotify free premium offer, you can see you'll get a couple of links here. Now I have two links here from Spotify, from PayPal, or if I scroll down, you'll be able to get many more offers as well. Now, primarily there are two different offers that will help you in order to get the Spotify free premium. The first is the Spotify get premium free for 6 months. As you can see, you can cancel anytime. Now you can get the trial offer of Spotify and get the absolutely free for 6 months here. That is just a trial, or you can get it for a month too. Now the other is the PayPal offer that you'll be able to get 3 months of free Spotify premium. This offer ends in 9 of 15 2023. If you do not cancel prior to the trial end, you'll become a paid subscriber, as you can see there. So these are some of the ways, or this is two of the ways. There are a couple of other offers as well that you might want to look into down below. I won't be explaining you that here, however, you'll have to look onto your own. So these are the ways you can get the Spotify premium for free in 2023. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.